Hello guys, so in this video I'm excited to show you about this new thing. Well, it's not actually new, but the fact that you could actually do this now with just a USB, that is new. So what am I referring to? I'm referring to Samsung DeX. Yes, Samsung DeX, which is like a PC version of your phone. So back then it would only happen with the Galaxy S, starting with the S9. I'm not sure, so yeah, don't really be like, oh yeah, well this guy said it came out with the S9. It might have come out with the S8, but at the time of me having the S8, that thing wasn't even a thing. So Samsung DeX. Back then, you would only be able to use it once your phone was connected to an HDMI device. So like by using the USB-C cable at the bottom. So you would plug in your USB-C your USB-C cable to HDMI adapter, then connect it to your device, and your phone would prompt you if you wanted to connect it to Samsung DeX. And you would click yes or no. But nowadays, all you have to do is just plug in your phone to a computer via USB-C cable, which I have done so because this is being recorded on an S9. Yeah, S9. So all you have to do is just connect it, then come over here to Samsung DeX, which is, and if you don't have it, I believe it's www.samsungdex.com. And so, yeah, so here it is. All you have to do is just open it. You can get it for Windows 7, 10, and Mac OS. I'm not sure if it's for 8 or XP, but see, right now it's giving me the prompt and see if I actually want to connect. So yes, I want to connect. So here's my phone. Yes. So you could actually multitask. You could have, for example, I'm not a Samsung internet person. I'm more of an Acacia person. So this is my web browser, and so I could have a web browser here, and on my phone I could be viewing Instagram or something like that. So that's the cool thing about Samsung DeX. Now, is it really worth having? Well, I'm not sure if you can see, but I hope that you can see that this is pretty laggy because the USB-C cables does not have that transfer speed that we need. Almost like Wi-Fi connections, whenever you do your remote connection, remote desktop connection, it'll obviously be laggy since technology hasn't gone to the point where they could transmit stuff and have it accurate. So the USB-C cable does a better job than the remote desktop connection. It's still laggy, but it's somehow better. So like you're going to have your normal desktop that can do all this type of stuff. And so here I have Acacia again. So I could literally do whatever at a way faster speed. Like Samsung DeX. I was looking up Samsung DeX. Samsung. Yes, I'm just entering DeX. So this is actually way faster. The scrolling and everything is way faster. But we come over here to our Samsung DeX. Like, why would we need this whenever? I hope that you can see that the scrolling is laggy. But on the other side, like if you have it on your PC or laptop or anything, it really looks like if this is the actual operating system running on your laptop. Though the cursor that is very fast, obviously. So yeah, is it worth getting it? Well, in some cases, I can see why people might use this. Because, like, some people might just want to multitask. For example, they might be wanting to, I don't know. For example, they might want to. Yeah, it's not on here. Oh, yeah, I forgot to delete those apps. They might want to be on Instagram while still being on Snapchat at the same time. Now, we know that the phone will not permit that. And, well, Snapchat, you cannot look at it online. Well, Sorry, it's because I'm more of the time back then, like whenever these things first started. I'm not sure if you could still view it online, but for example, something that you can't do online, Minecraft and Snapchat, they might want to do both of those things at the same time. Well, yes, they could multitask and actually do both of those things at the same time, and I see their point right there. But other than that, I see no point of literally having a web browser. See, like, it's taking a long time to do that. So I don't see a point for the web browser, which I don't use Samsung internet because I don't know, it just feels weird. So, see, I've clicked on this multiple times and it just lagged. Yeah, but I can. Yeah, I'm really not gonna use this anytime soon. But still, it's a pretty good concept. Especially with that new computer coming up, which is not sponsored. Well, I was actually going to try to find it, but I was like, nah, it's not sponsored. So this new laptop, RU, it literally has an RU. I'm not sure the name. All I know is that the logo is just an R and a U. So yeah, like those type of laptops that have no operating system, just something for you to charge it, and it's really meant for you to dock devices. I could see where Samsung DeX goes in since everybody pretty much has Android. So they might want to buy that at a cheap price and still be able to use this. But for people that actually have Windows, such as me, I really see no point in using the actual Samsung DeX. Though I do hope that they do keep investing because I do like the project. It's a very good concept. In the future, it could even improve, and it might even be an operating system such as Windows. But now, they just need to improve on the lagginess that it has. So I really like the concept. It's just not for everyone. Like if you have a full running desktop with Windows, there's really no point in having Samsung DeX. But some people actually do like to have multiple operating systems in their laptops or PCs, such as me. So I could actually see where Samsung is trying to go. But other than that, Samsung DeX is a pretty good operating system that might just need a little bit more improvement. But for those of you that just kind of want to multitask, I really do recommend this. Because like if full running Android phone on your PC, oh, and those whatchamacallit, Call of Duty players, those might definitely want to try this out. Of course, the graphics really depend on your computers, but like that or your laptop, which I don't know the name. I'm not sure why. Yeah, that I'm pretty sure it's just like a regular monitor. So you could just plug in anything into a monitor, and the monitor will do whatever you tell it to do. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just a brief introduction to Samsung DeX.